Okay, so you know how grating cheese is basically an arm workout, and half the time you're low key terrified of grating your knuckles? Well, not anymore, because this Zolai Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater is great. Yeah, you can shred cheese with it. We all know how to do that, but it's got five different blades, so you can shred cheese, slice veggies, even make those bougie cucumber ribbons. Like, look at this. Who am I? All you do is stick it on your counter, you crank the handle, and boom, no knuckle casualties. Plus, the suction base makes it so it doesn't slide around while you're trying to use it. It's like a kitchen ninja. I used to dread grating cheese, but now I'm like, what else can I shred? Also, it's way easier to clean than that box grater torture device we've been using forever. So, if you love kitchen gadgets as much as I do, just trust me on this. You will thank me when you're living your best shredded cheese life. This thing is really awesome. I would definitely recommend it for anybody's kitchen and if you love to cook.